great master Abrahamic saying it, financial experience is irrelevant to the equation of feeling good. To feel good, to feel happy, to feel peaceful, money is, it's not relevant. I'm not saying money is not important. Money is not relevant to the equation of feeling good. But when we bring money into this equation, we cannot feel good. We cannot be happy. That is actually suffering.
So hi friends, how are you? If you're doing well, then type well in the comment box. We are back with another episode for you guys. So in this video, we are going to learn why every individual is suffering through money issues. Today we have our Brahmavidya Guru, Miracle Mohan sir with us. So let's ask him.
Yes.
Hi sir, how are you?
Yeah, hi Sham, amazing. How are you?
I'm doing well, sir.
Yes.
So sir, tell me, like now every individual is facing money issues. Like they are taking loans, suffering through a lot of money problems. So why it's happening?
Yeah, it's why many people are suffering. It's because, not because of money, actually. It's because they are not able to understand one logic. That logic is, to feel happy or to feel peaceful, money is not at all relevant. I'm not saying money is not important, but to feel happier or to feel good, the money is not relevant.
Yes.
Maybe the audience who are watching this video, maybe they are in a shock. Okay, why he's saying like this? Yes,
But it's
because
true.
but actually it's true.
True, sir.
And let's say, before we get into like why many people are suffering and what happens if our emotions are only depending on money, and for them who are is like, okay, my happiness only if I have money, then I'll be happy. And those of you are having that perspective, I want you to watch this video. I want you to remember this point. Okay, if your happiness, if your peace of mind, if your joy, and if your freedom is dependent only on the money, and you cannot be happy all the time, my dear friend. It's because money keeps changing all the time. You may have today, you may have a lot of money in your bank account and you feel wonderful, you feel like dancing. Okay, and let's say if that money goes down tomorrow, what happens? Even our emotional state goes down. This is what happening, and this is the root cause why many people are facing a money problem. It's not because not having more money, it's because they don't know the simple logic that the happiness is within themselves, but they are so scared and they are only finding the happiness in money.
Yes.
Money is, yes, of course it is important, not just 100%, 1000% the money is important, but it is not important than your happiness and peace of mind. Yes. Okay, maybe sir is having more money, or maybe he's having a decent money, so he can say many
Easily,
things.
yeah.
He can say many easily.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, like 1 week back I had a discussion like with one private coaching client who is worth of like having 100 crores. And his main concern is like he gave some money to like maybe to pay some few of his friends, and which is worth like 7 crore rupees, and he's not able to recover that amount. Okay, he is worth 100 crores, like he's having assets or net worth rupees 100 crores, but he's, because of that 7 crores, actually he's like, he's sometimes he's sleepless and worried about that 7 crore rupees, and thinking all the time, and because of that not able to sleep well, and when we are not sleeping well, our body does not repair on its own, and then we get health issues and we feel, okay, this is a suffering, money is a problem. The money is not actually the problem. The problem is here, we are not able to understand this simple logic that to be happy, to be peaceful, to lead a peaceful and to feel good, the money is irrelevant. And actually it's I'm not saying this, great master Abrahamic saying it, financial experience is irrelevant to the equation of feeling good. To feel good, to feel happy, to feel peaceful, money is, it's not relevant. I'm not saying money is not important. Money is not relevant to the equation of feeling good. But when we bring money into this equation, we cannot feel good, we cannot be happy. That is actually suffering.
Yeah.
See, and you saying I don't have more money, How do you feel when you don't have more money?
Like, I'll be sad.
Yeah, sad.
Sad.
And maybe little stressed out.
Yes, of
Little bit
course.
anxious. Okay, how can I pay bills, or how can I clear my
Yeah.
debts? You may have that fear. It's because simply it has to do with your emotions, not with the
Yes.
money. And we don't know how to balance our emotions.
Yeah.
So when somebody calls you and says, like, asking for a repayment of your loan, or maybe asking for the EMI,
Yes.
so at that point of time, you feel low,
Very.
because you identify yourself with that money. Okay, and when we identify ourselves with that money, and the money, when the money keeps changing, our value keeps changing.
Yes.
So that means our value, our happiness, or peace of mind is entirely depending on the money.
Yeah.
And do you want to really manifest in your life also, like, more money?
Yes, I'd want to, obviously.
Do you want to know the secret?
And our viewers also want more money.
Yes, even if you like want to more money also, even this is a secret. If your happiness, peace of mind, and joy is not depending on the money, whether you are having money or not having money, but still you are stable at your emotions,
Yes.
that's when you're going to manifest. That's when you are going to manifest even more faster, even more easier, even more quicker. But our emotions are completely depending on the money. When I have more money, we feel good. When I don't have money, I feel little sad, little depressed, or little disappointed.
Yeah.
But if the money is not defining your emotional state, you are stable. Whether having more money, not having more money, is if it is not bothering your own emotions, then that is the exact state where money comes to you very, very easily, very, very quickly. That is the solution. And even why we are so much depending on the money, it's because we feel our happiness is in the money.
Yeah.
Actually, our happiness is not in the money. Our happiness is within ourselves, within us, not in the money. Yes. But in ourselves. And when we are not able to understand this simple thing, and no matter you try hard, go and work hard for the money, and at certain point of your life you will realize, okay, this is the truth. Because yes, money keeps changing, it is not going to be constant all the time. So, and why our emotions are depending on the money, it's because simply when I'm not happy within, I'll always try to find it in the external world. Yes. Okay, and even like Eckhart Tolle says beautifully, the primary source of joy is within you. Yeah. And many of our audience might say that, okay, we also get happiness from the money, we also feel secure, confident when I get the money. Yes. That's true, and it is logical, and it is correct. But that whatever the happiness that you are getting from the money, it's only temporary. Yeah. It's a secondary source. But the primary source is of our happiness is within ourselves only. Yeah. We don't have to look in the money. You can look for the money, but don't look in the money. Okay, when you look only in the money, that's when you always feel, okay, I don't mean only when I have more money I can be happy and peaceful. That's never going to happen. Okay, you already are peaceful, happy within yourself. Yes. And now many people, because when I say this, many people say, no, how do I find that, like, within myself? How, like, you're showing so beautifully, and when I'm listening it feels so wonderful for me. But when it comes to practical life, how can I find that joy, how can I find that peace within myself is, at least, have you tried, like, I wanted to ask this question to each and every person who is watching this video, have you tried to go within and find that happiness at least once in your life? Have you tried, Usha?
No, not only me, actually. Okay. I didn't try it.
You didn't try it, because if you don't try, like, have you tried to earn more money?
Yes, I have.
How many times you tried?
Every minute, actually.
Every minute will be thinking that, okay, how can I make more money? How can I get a better job? How can I improve myself? Yes. How can I improve my skills? But have you at least tried once to go within and find that happiness within yourself?
No.
Okay, put it in the comment section right away. Okay. This is where we are actually missing that roots. We're actually missing that deep connection within ourselves, and with our own self we are missing that connection. That is our soul, that is the
Yes.
divine. And when that connection gets when that connection is not there, when that connection is not happening, and we're actually not stable.
Yes.
Our emotions are completely depending on the external circumstances, like in this case the money keeps changing. But when you are deeply connected with who you truly are, you feel empowered even when you don't have more money. When you are in this state, money comes 1000%, no doubt on that. Money comes easily, quickly, it can come in even the fastly. It is possible because we have seen in our life, in our students of life, like many of our students also got like money, like even like one of our student, like his name is Krishna Rudrugaru, and he got actually 20 lakhs orders in just 2 months of time. 20 lakhs orders. He's into interior business. Like he has been doing it from last 15-20 years, but he did not made so much of orders in just in 1 month of time, and he got that orders. How is that possible? Because even though previously also it's the same business, because he knows same skills,
Yes.
same employees maybe in
Yeah.
his organization, same work, same environment. But how it made a difference in his life? It's because he understood this one simple thing. Not only he, many of our students understood this one simple thing, and they practice it. And like to overcome it, it is not so easy, because
Yes.
what we see only, or like what we see, touch, hear, smell, taste, from these five senses, we think this is only the truth. And whatever I'm saying, the happiness, the joy which we have within ourselves, which it cannot be seen with this physical eyes. Okay, you must overcome your five senses, and you must go beyond all of this to see and to understand the essence, to feel that essence. Okay, that's a key.
Thank you, sir. Actually, everyone doesn't know it, like that they run behind the money.
Correct.
But like they don't want to know about themselves. They don't
Correct.
believe on themselves.
Yes.
They believe on money. Yes,
Correct.
they do it wrong actually. Thank you so much for telling it. We'll try to earn, manifest it. I will also do it actually.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. So hope guys, you know now how to earn your money. So reach that goal after watching this video. If you want to learn more about manifesting money, then click on to the below link. It is in comment and description box for our Brahmavidya workshop. If you want a personal guidance from sir, then contact to the above number and book your appointment right away. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in the next video. Bye-bye guys.